Good morning, my dear children. This is Tarangini. Welcome back to Max class. Children, today also we'll continue the chapter 9, time. Let us remember all the points what we learned in previous class, children. Okay? What is said? The visible side of clock is known as its face. Okay? The visible side of clock is known as its face. Okay? It has a dial. Okay? See, what is this, children? This is shorthand. Okay, this is shorthand. We'll call as hour hand. If we want to know what hour it is, we look at the shorthand only. Okay, children. Okay, did you understand? Right now, the shorthand is pointing at 3, so we can say it is 3 o'clock. Okay. Next, what is this, children? This is minute hand. It is minute hand. If you want to know what minute it is, we should look at minute hand. Okay, right now the minute hand is showing at 12. Yes or no? Okay, children, did you understand what I'm saying? There are 12 big divisions marked on the clock. Okay, the big divisions have 5 small divisions also. Okay, the small divisions stand for 1 minute. When the minute hand moves from one big division to the next, 5 minutes have passed. Okay, when the minute hand moves from one big division to next, 5 minutes have passed. Okay, children. When the minute hand moves from one small division to the next, one small division to the next, 1 minute has passed. Okay, children. Let us know more about time. Okay, children, now you say what's the time it is. See this clock. See this clock. What the shorthand is pointing? Shorthand is pointing at 8. Just a little bit moving. Just 8. Yes or no? That's why in hours place we are writing 8. Okay. In minutes, look at the minutes hand. What it shows? 4. For how we have to count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like that we can count. But we can't count all the times like that. I said 5 table. Use 5 table. 5 minutes only, na? Yes. 5 1s are 5. 5 2s are 10. 5 3s are 15. 5 4s are 20. So in the minutes place we are writing 20. Okay. In hours place we are writing 8 because shorthand is pointing at 8. Okay, little bit is moving. Then also we will write 8 only. Okay, minute hand is pointing at 4. 4 means 4 5s are 20. So what is the time now, children? 8:20. Okay, so look at this clock. Okay, what is shorthand pointing, children? It's not pointing at 12 and 1. It is in the between 12 and 1. So what you will say? 12 o'clock or 1 o'clock? It is still 12 o'clock only. It will not be 1 o'clock until the hour hand points at the 1. Did you understand? It will not be 1 o'clock until the hour hand points at the 1. So when the hour hand reach at 1, then only we will write 1. Up to now we will write 12 only because it is moving towards 1. It is not, the hour hand not yet reached 1. So what will write, children? 12 only will write. In hours place will write 12. In minutes place 8. Our hand is pointing at minute hand is pointing at 8. So what we will write? 8 5s are 40. I said simple tip na. 8 5s are 40. So what is the time now? 12:40. Okay, children, did you understand what I'm saying? Now the time 12:40 here. Okay. Children, look at this clock now. So what the time now, children? See in this clock, what's the time? Children, I want to say one thing. Whenever minute hand is pointing to the 12, it tells us it's o'clock. Listen carefully, children. Whenever minute hand is pointing to the 12, it tells us it's o'clock. That means no minutes past the hour. No minutes past the hour. What is said? Shorthand tells us what hour we are. Yes or no? So the shorthand is pointing at 1. So 1. Okay. But how many minutes we are saying? Here. It is pointing at 12. Means now only the minute had completed one round. It again came back here. Now no minutes have passed. Just is looking showing 12 only. So a lot on that situation will write o'clock. 1:02 here 1 o'clock because no minutes have passed here. Okay, understand carefully children. When the minute hand is pointing to the 12, it tells us it's o'clock. That means no minutes has passed the hour. Just it is now exactly reached 1 o'clock. So we are writing like this. In one's place hour it is showing 1 minutes. No minutes passed up to now, only 00. So we are writing like this. We are telling 1 o'clock the time. Okay children, see, look at this clock. Here also shorthand is pointing at 2 o'clock. 2, yes, that's why we in hours place we are writing 2. In minutes hand, it look at this minute hand showing it is at 12. So that means 00 minutes. No minutes has passed in that hour. Okay, so we are writing 2 o'clock here. 2 o'clock. If the minute hand is at 1, we'll say 2:05. Okay, but it is, if the minute hand is at 50, if 3, we'll tell 2:15. But minute hand is pointing at 12 only. So we can say it no minutes has passed. That's why we are saying just 2 o'clock. Okay, next look at this clock also children. Here our hand is pointing at 3. I said already the shorthand tells us what hour we are. So now the shorthand is pointing at 3. So we are writing 3 in one's place. Sorry, hours place. In minutes place, no minutes has passed. Okay, again I'm saying when our minute hand is pointing to the 12, it tells us it's o'clock. That means no minutes past the hour. So no minutes, the minute hand not past the see, it's not moving, it's just showing 12 only. Okay, so we'll write 3 o'clock. We'll write like this, 3 o'clock, because no minutes have passed. Okay, so exactly now the time is 3 o'clock. So we are writing 3 o'clock. Keep this in your mind children. Only the minute hand is at 12, that tells us it's o'clock. So whenever, for example here, if you imagine the short hand is pointing at 8, the minute hand is pointing at 12, what you'll say? 8 o'clock. Okay, just when the minute hand pointing 12, we'll simply say it's o'clock. Okay, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock. If the short hand is pointing at 4, if minute hand is pointing at 12, we'll say 4 o'clock, like that. Okay children, now again look at these clocks. See what the time now? See, short hand is pointing at 7. So in hours place we'll write 7. And what about minutes place children? Minutes hand is pointing to the 12. So it tells us it's o'clock. Means no minutes past the hour. So no minutes past the hour. Just it is exact 7 only. Okay, that's why we are writing 7 o'clock. We are writing here 7 o'clock. Okay, next, see, look at this watch children. Look at this clock. Here short hand is pointing at 4. Yes or no? The short hand tells us what hour we are. So this short hand is pointing to the 4. So this now the time is 4. So in the hours place we'll write 4. And minutes place, no minutes has passed up to now. So it's o'clock. So we are writing here 4 o'clock. Okay, that means no minutes past the hour. So now the time is exact 4. So we are saying 4 o'clock. Okay, again look at this clock, children. What I'm saying, listen carefully, remember in your mind. Whenever minute hand is pointing to the 12, it tells us it's o'clock. That means no minutes past the hour. Okay, here the shorthand tells us what hour we are. This now the shorthand is pointing to the 11. That's why in hours place we are writing 11. Column in minutes place, no minutes has passed. It's exactly now 11 o'clock only. So we are writing here 00 minutes. No minutes have passed. So we are writing 11 o'clock. So we are writing here 11. Now the time is 11 o'clock. Okay, children. Now I'll give you one assignment, children. Draw the long hand and short hands to show the time on these clocks. Here I wrote 7 o'clock. So you have to draw the long hand and short hand. Okay, 4 o'clock, 1 o'clock. Okay, draw the long and short hands to show the time on these clocks. Okay, you should draw the long hand and short hand. Where you have to draw short hand, where you have to draw long hand, you have to think carefully and draw neatly and send to me. Okay, children. Thank you, children.